Hi, welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today we will discuss whether you can have more than one Gmail account. So the answer is yes, you can absolutely have more than one Gmail account, and those accounts will be even on the same device. So to add another Gmail account, you need to firstly open Gmail on your device, and then you need to tap your profile picture in the top right corner, and here you need to click Add Another Account. Here you need to choose Google as the account type. Click Continue button to sign in. And here you need to sign in with your other Gmail address, or you can tap Create Account if you want a new one. So now you can switch between Gmail accounts by tapping your profile picture anytime. Of course, after you will sign in. So yeah, that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Please leave your thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. See you later. Bye bye.